Today I want to show you how to make your videos go from looking something like this to something like this. Hey, my name is Konstantin. If you're new to this channel, I run a digital marketing agency. I talk about advertising, personal growth, and make money online so you can live a life on your terms. And while running my agency, I've gone through this whole journey of trying to create content, and it was just incredibly painful to do because, first of all, I wasn't really satisfied with the quality that I was producing. I wasn't really excited about this whole process, and it was very rusty and there were so many obstacles. So throughout last year, I've learned so much about light, camera, audio that I would love to share with you, all of my equipment, all the mistakes that I made by purchasing wrong equipment as well. So this video will literally save you thousands of dollars. And just out of full transparency, I don't own the highest high-end quality C stands and all that kind of stuff because I optimize for portability, right? My wife and I, we travel a lot. All of the gear that I have here in the office, I can literally put in a luggage and it can travel with me without it being like a red camera that is 5 kilograms or something like that, or even a basic DSLR, right? I really value portability, ease of use, right? The camera that I'm currently recording on, believe it or not, and I'll show you all the gear in a moment, it's just an iPhone camera, right? It's a normal phone that I use for day-to-day use, but I can use it also to record very high-end quality videos. And also with the airdrop, I can instantly airdrop the video that I've just recorded to the computer and straight away quickly edit it and send it out into the world, right? So it's a whole optimization process that I've gone through, from thinking of oh, should I buy Canon? Should I buy this camera, that camera? But now I just realized it's just like an iPhone. I airdrop it, I'll quickly edit it, and then boom. So first things first, there are 3 basic things that you should be aware of when creating high quality content. I would say the most important thing is your audio and your lighting. So let's begin with the light source first. So let me grab, ta-da, here is another camera right here, right? So let me walk you through the light setup that I have right now. Right, so this is how the whole office looks like. And we've got here the Amaran 200XS, which you can adjust the strength of the light and the temperature of the light as well. So I can change it to lighter and darker, and 5600 Kelvin is the one that produces just the most natural light, right? And if you look at, right, so you can straight away see the difference if I'm in front of the light or if I'm behind the light, right? So that's I would say the most important thing, the biggest lever that I've been able to pull to create very high quality content. So it comes with a lantern, and there are different lanterns as well, right? There's one straight one that doesn't go like this. It's just a straight one. And with that, it's more of a directional light. You have to set up a little bit. Where this one is more forgiving, you can set it up and it will give you the perfect lighting straight away. Right, so the stand that I'm using, I will link this one, I'll give you the link. It's a Kupo stand. And again, with this light stand right there, it's one of the more lighter ones. It's one of the more lighter stands that you can take with you wherever you want. Doesn't weigh too much. It looks nice and clean, so that's the reason why I pulled the trigger on that one as well. And then we've got this bad boy, and this is just a salt lamp, which to be honest doesn't really add anything except for a cool effect on the background, right? So that's the light source for you. moving on to I would say kind of the most important thing as well is the audio, right? I would highly recommend to invest in a high quality mic. This is the Shure MV7B, and it's a USB mic, right? So again, that's something that I really value. You've got the one that is sort of like connected to an audio box and whatnot. I don't know exactly the specifics behind it, but you've got one that is even more advanced. A lot of podcast studios do use that one. It takes a lot of time, energy, and resources to set it up, whereas this one is just a USB mic, goes straight into the MacBook, and I can use it whenever I want. I can unplug it, I can take my laptop to the city or wherever, and wherever I go, I have very high-end quality audio. So that's audio for you as well. If you're doing if you're interested in doing interviews or podcasts, or you're walking, then I recommend the Rode Wireless Go. And frankly, I've never used it before, right? So I purchased it. I mean, it's a business expense anyway, so it doesn't matter. And I do plan to use it in the future in interviews, podcasts, and whatnot, right? And then something I've already mentioned and show you, the camera, which is an iPhone Pro. It's this one right there, right? So I've got two cameras, but one is enough. I'm just using the second one to record this video and kind of like doing selfie style content. But you only need one, which is this one right there. And again, the most important thing that I find very useful is the AirDrop feature that just goes where the video goes directly into the computer. I don't have to wait. I don't have to remove the USB kind of like the card from the camera into the computer. None of that. It's just like a straight wireless AirDrop, and that's something that I really value. So that's pretty much everything for you in regards to the lighting, the camera setup, as well as the audio, right? And now I want to share with you a very simple and very effective workflow that I've kind of created for myself to quickly import the videos that I've just created, put them into the computer, and create a very, quick, high quality piece of content, right? So first things first, the audio is actually being recorded twice, right? So we've got a camera. The front camera is recording audio, but we're actually not using that sound. It sounds very patchy and very sharp. So we're actually using, obviously, the audio from the Shure mic. And what I'm currently doing right now, I'm recording the video through the camera, as well as a screen recording through Loom that has the audio from the Shure mic. So throughout the whole video, we're actually using this sound, obviously. But now is the question, how do you synchronize the sound from the camera as well as the Shure microphone, right? Because there's two different recordings. I do this through the Adobe, and I want to quickly share this hack with you. So you import a video from the camera, AirDrop it to the computer, quickly import it into the Premiere Pro, and then basically, so we've got here, this is sort of like this is the Loom video, and this is the video that has the right audio, right? So I'm removing the Loom screen recording. I've got the correct audio right there, and I'm just synchronizing the two audios. Right, so now the video from the camera as well as the correct audio has been synchronized, and all I have to do is to remove the bad audio from the camera and pair it up with the audio that I'm recording through the Shure mic. Right, so now the video is all fully synced, and the audio that comes out of my mouth is that really quality audio that I'm recording through Shure. So I hope I've been able to inspire you to create high quality content, and it became personally for myself kind of like a side hobby as well. Like I'm kind of geeking around what kind of light setup and trying different angles, and I find this whole process of creating content actually becoming more and more fun. Now I'm becoming better and better at it, and I can assure you the more time, energy and investments you make in yourself, your content, making things look super professional, it gonna come back tenfold revenue wise into your business. So beside this, there's so much more content on this channel to come. Drop a like if you've enjoyed it, subscribe if you look forward to new videos, and I look forward to see you in the next one. Bye bye.